Hi, I'm here at 9 Island Avenue, and I'm really excited to take you through the front entrance. The lobby has been under construction for the past 2.5 years, and you can see we're walking through the front door for the first time. It just opened up on Thursday, and it is almost completed. There's still some touch-up items to do, but you can take a look at the fountain over here. It's filled and working. You can see the furniture, the front desk. We still have some connections to do here, but it's open and ready. There's the living wall over there, some furniture. The office is behind all these glass doors, and you can take a look above and you can see the opening to the mezzanine. I'm going to go up the elevator real quick and just give you an idea of what everything looks like. We still have some things. These doors will be replaced, actually updated. So there's some signage that's not done yet, some finishing touches in the elevators, but all in all, it's almost done. It looks great. This is the mezzanine where all the amenities are. Um, Again, I'm going to show you, this is the upper level looking down over the fountains, and just some furniture up here. Front desk looks amazing. And then over here to where the gym and the playroom and the bay room and all that stuff is. The gym is not open yet. Excuse me, the gym is open. I'm going to take you into the restroom here. Did a full remodel of the men's restroom here. It's really nice. That is the entrance to the pool. Card room over here. Gym over here. You can see how nice this area. It's a complete transformation of what it used to be. The gym has a maximum capacity now due to COVID. This is the yoga studio over here. It's separate to the gym. And then you have some more restrooms here. And this is the bay room, again, closed down because of COVID, but also very beautifully remodeled. If you've ever been here, you would not recognize the building. It's a complete transformation. So if you'd like to see any apartments here or anywhere else on Belle Isle, let me know. I'd love to show them to you. Thanks and have a great day.